Student class 10. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Building. The students, in previous video we have come to know that Matilda went to the party with her husband and became the center of attraction. Everybody appreciated her efforts to be presented, and she forgot everything and she was just enjoying the intoxication of beauty, praise and appreciation. The party was over and she came back to the apartment where she was residing with the husband, and when she was just trying to feel the pleasure of appreciation, and suddenly she started crying at the top of her voice. What was the reason? I have already stated that she found her necklace missing. The necklace was not around her neck. This sudden cry was heard by the husband, and he wanted to know the reason of this cry, the reason of this just restlessness, and then he came to know that the necklace was found missing. Students, you can really imagine this situation, that the necklace that has been borrowed and the same necklace is found missing. What may be the internal situation of mind and heart, this can only be imagined. This cannot be expressed. The husband was really disappointed and he lost his each and every hope to find the necklace, but he tried his level best and he again dressed himself. He was out in the field. He started checking everywhere, pockets and other things, but the necklace was not found. All the attempts were now failure. He wanted to know and he wanted to be sure whether the necklace was there when they left the party, and this was not beautifully replied by the wife couldn't give proper answer to the question. The husband was now bound to be out of the house. He went to the probable places, expected places where he could find. He went to the street, the way through which they came, and ultimately his mind went to the cab by which they came to the apartment. Possibility was not so strong to find the necklace in the cab, because the number of that very particular cab was not taken down, not written, so that possibility started becoming dull and dim. So they looked at each other, and this situation could only be felt by both of the parties here. And finally the husband, Mr. Lajel, dressed himself again and he assured his wife that he was going to the places where there might be possibility of getting the necklace that was lost, that was missing. He followed the track and he just went to the places where he could think, where he could find, and ultimately he went to just each and every place where his mind was working and where his mind was expecting to get that one back. It was around 7 o'clock early in the morning that the husband returned without anything. He returned empty-handed because the necklace was not found. So there was no way to go out, and he went to the police station and to the cab offices and put an advertisement in the newspaper offering a award if a person who has got the necklace is ready to return he will be avoided nicely. He will be rewarded nicely. So each and every attempt was made by the husband, but all the attempts were useless. They were not fruitful. There was no positive result. Mrs. Matilda waited for all the day. She was surprised. She was just disappointed. She was restless. And she just was now expecting the result of the situation when the necklace was not found. She was in fearful situation. She was expecting the coming days are not going to be good as she used to pass. So the husband returned in the evening. His face was not sweet. His face was not fresh. He was looking very pale. He had discovered nothing. It means he came empty-handed, and he reported it to his wife that all the efforts are now fruitless. So they made a plan. A plan was made, and this plan was not so forceful, but at least it was made because there was no way to go out. And this plan was about writing to her friend that the necklace has been broken, and repairing it will take a time, will require a time. Then they will return it to just the friend who had borrowed the necklace. The wife wrote everything as she was dictated by the husband. Everything was done under the plan. Now here you will find that the situation that is yet to come is going to teach so many lessons for both of the husband and for us also, that we should take any decision, we should be satisfied with what we have. God gives everybody a chance to get satisfaction, and we should not become over ambitious, we should not become over excited to do something wrong that may have long impact on and around the life. Students, what happened, whether the dictated letter was fruitful or not, what happened, what were the changes in their life, and what must be the lesson for us, all these things will be taught to you in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.